Hey guys, I'm David.
And I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. Hey guys, welcome aboard the beautiful Carnival Inspiration. This is our official stateroom tour of stateroom E79. This is the view you're greeted with as you enter the room. You have closets to your left, life jackets up on the top shelf, plenty of hangers for you to hang items, extra blankets or comforter at the bottom, safety procedures on the back of the inside of the closet door, and you're assigned to muster station. This particular stateroom, we are in muster station A. Double wide, 2 more closets with the safe. Then behind us, we have the bathroom. There is a step here as you enter, so watch your step when entering. Hand towels, your toilet, sink. Hey guys, and the shower. They do provide you with body wash and shampoo. They also provide you with up here that you can pull across to hang your swimsuits or wet t-shirts, whatever it might be that you need to dry. Over here is your water settings. You have a drain inside, and you also have a drain on the outside in the left-hand corner. You also have ample storage space. You have a drawer here, 1, 2, with a hair dryer, 3 and 4 drawers. You have a little stool that pulls out. You have a vanity mirror. You also have a plug here to plug up accessories. You have 2 lights above your bed. You can be controlled by there, and the other switch is right over there. And this controls your interior lights in the room. So at nighttime, if you hit that switch, it will control your lights. Luggage mat, protect the bed. In the corner, you do have a small chair. There's an additional light here. If you needed a third person, they could add a small cot. You also have a small little shelving unit over here in the corner, and a shelf there, and your television, in stateroom television. This is an Oceanview with a window. There is the dome. The Spruce Goose was once housed here at that dome, and then over there on the outside here in the Port of Long Beach is the Queen Mary. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed our video of this stateroom tour. Please give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow us on Twitter at Adventures of DNA, and you can follow us on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron. And guys, any comments that you put below, we do respond back to comments. We hope you enjoyed this video and found the stateroom tour helpful and useful for you if you are going to be sailing on the Carnival Inspiration. And guys, remember, enjoy life, make it an adventure.